Good morning, science students. Today we're going to learn how to make a paper helicopter. There it is there, that's the finished product. So first thing you need to do is get a piece of paper and you're going to mark 10 centimeters. There's 10 centimeters, there's 10 centimeters, and we're going to take 10 centimeters, strip off the edge. Then you get your scissors. Cut that. That piece of paper can be saved if you need it. Then we've got to divide 10 centimeters in half, so that gives us 5 centimeters there. Then I'll bring it down to here and another 5 centimeters. Then we're going to make, this is the wings on this end, so they are 10 centimeters there and 10 centimeters long there. These ones here I'm going to just show as dotted lines. This line here is going to be one that we cut. So the lines that we cut are going to be soldered like that. Then we've got to organise the middle part of the helicopter, which is 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. And then we're going to come in 3 centimeters. And from this side in 3 centimeters. And we better mark it down here as well. 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. These here are also going to be folds, so I'll do them as a dotted line. And that one there also as a dotted line. And then we're going to cut in here. And cut in here. And there's a photo with it all the dimensions shown on it. So we've got 3 centimeters here, 3 centimeters there. Those are folds. Got 2 folds. Then we've got the folds here, and there's a 3 centimeter between there. That's a cut. That's a cut. And this here is a big long cut. So I'll show you how we make it now. So we come in here, cut just into there, turn it around, cut into there. Then coming down from the top, just making the 2 separate wings. And then we're going to fold one this way. And we're going to fold this one this way, making sure it's nice and straight, like that. Then we've got to fold this one in there. And that one there folds in to there. And the last thing to do, so we've got one of those each way. The last thing to do is to fold up the bottom. And this here gives you a place where you can put on your paper clips. So you're going to be using different amounts of paper clips for your investigation. And that is your paper helicopter complete.